I/O virtualization, or input-output virtualization, is a technique that allows multiple virtual machines to share and access physical hardware devices efficiently and securely through a hypervisor. Physical devices include network cards, storage disks, GPUs, and USB devices. Imagine a single physical server running several virtual machines. Each VM behaves like an independent computer and needs access to hardware resources. There may be only one physical network card or one storage controller in the server. If every VM tried to access the hardware directly, conflicts, security issues, and resource management problems would occur. This is where I/O virtualization becomes essential. The hypervisor acts as a manager between the virtual machines and the physical hardware. This process enables multiple VMS to safely share the same hardware while remaining isolated from one another. The hypervisor then decides how to handle that request. It may emulate a virtual device entirely in software, or it may forward the request to the actual physical device. Once the hardware completes the operation, the result is returned to the virtual machine. This process enables multiple VMs to safely share the same hardware while remaining isolated from one another. There are several approaches to I/O virtualization, each offering different trade offs between compatibility and performance. The first approach is device emulation, where the hypervisor provides a software based virtual version of a hardware device. The guest operating system believes it is communicating with a real physical device while the hypervisor handles everything behind the scenes. Device emulation works with almost any operating system without requiring special drivers, making it highly compatible. However, because every I/O request is processed in software, this method introduces additional overhead and is generally slower. The second approach is para-virtualized I/O, where the guest uses virtualization aware drivers such as VirtIO. These drivers communicate directly with the hypervisor using optimized interfaces, reducing processing required. As a result, para-virtualized I/O delivers much better performance than device emulation. The main limitation is that the guest operating system must support these specialized drivers. The third approach is direct device assignment, also known as PCI pass-through, where a physical device is assigned exclusively to a single VM. The VM communicates directly with the hardware, achieving performance very close to running on a physical machine. However, because the device is dedicated to one VM, it cannot be shared with other virtual machines at the same time. The fourth approach is single root I/O virtualization, or SRIOV, which allows a single physical device to create multiple virtual functions. This provides near native performance while still enabling hardware sharing. To summarize, I/O virtualization enables multiple virtual machines to share physical hardware devices securely and efficiently through the hypervisor. Device emulation offers compatibility. Para-virtualized I/O improves efficiency. PCI pass-through provides near-native performance for a single VM. SRIOV combines high performance with device sharing.